sa US. Makakatulong po ba ito para mas lalo pa natin pagandahin yung mga mai-treat natin doon sa mga national athletes?
Kami kasi vision care provider, and then we have various specialties, no? And we invited mentors from the US na ang specialty nila is sports media. So we hope to train our faculty members, our mentors, our coaches, and then our clinician interns on how to handle athletes. So this will be the beginning na we have up 200 plus clinician to help us in this endeavor from all over the Philippines, schools of optometry, mga nandyan, so that we are equipping and empowering our clinician to assist athletes. And hopefully, once they get the skills that will come from our mentors, Dr. Vito Mina and Dr. Liz Mays, these 2 days, then we just believe we will be able to develop our athletes to their maximum capabilities.
Yes, ma'am. Final question po. Libre po ba, ma'am, sa atleta? Sa lahat ng atleta natin? Alimbawa po, nag-compete sila, na-injury, pwede silang magbalik-balik sa clinic nila.
Yung functional vision assessment is coming April 9, libre po yun. Kasi pag na-injure, under medical condition na yun. So pag na-injure, they have to have rehabilitation. It has medical costs. Pero siguro selective, we can help in the rehabilitation after medical procedures. And then we would like to mention also, we have industry partners that provide contact lens. We can see na contact lens is good for athletes kasi yung magnification, unification effect of the lenses are eliminated by contact lenses, and then wider vision field. So we have tapped them, and we're thinking of donating some contact lenses for selected athletes that qualifies.
Nice, nice. Nice to know about the FDM Vision Care Research and Training Institute and the services na ibibigay niyo po sa ating mga national athletes. Before, we used to have Dr. Charlie Ho na minsan na nag-extend ng services, but now it's bigger and all athletes, diba? So salamat po ng marami.
Doktora, ilang branch ba yung ano nyo? Yung mga clinic ninyo nationwide? Para kung saan man mapupuntahan namin. At saan ang name?
Yeah. As of now, our base is at Pedro Mundo Medical Center in Banawe, Quezon City. Doon naka-station ang FDM Vision Care Institute. And then we have partners with the universities, Centro Escolar in Manila, then we have Malolos, then National University of Mall of Asia, then we have Davao Doctors in Davao and Mindanao, and then for Cebu, we have Cebu Doctors, and then for the North, we have Lyceum Northwestern, and then for Laguna, we have Lyceum. And we have tapped our specialists in pediatrics to be part of the referral. We have at least 90 of them, but only a selected na who will undergo specialty sports vision will be part of the referral. But we hope, we started now, na as we go on, we will grow. We need to create also awareness among our practitioners of the importance of helping the athletes.
Thank you very much.
Truly, the Philippines is on the rise, especially Philippine sports. This has been one of the most overlooked aspects in the Filipino athletes' performance. So vision and better performance should be working together. Maraming salamat po our friends from Sight on the Goal program. Of course, in cooperation with the Philippine Sports Commission, let's build more champions. Maraming salamat po. We'll be back with our final session in today's PSA Forum. God bless everyone.